Hello, I'm Simon. Welcome to my workshop, and in this video I'm going to make some gifts for my green-fingered friends. Let's get tinkering. I was in the garden centre today and I was going to pick up some of these plastic plant labels when my wife mentioned that they weren't particularly environmentally friendly. So I started looking at the wooden ones and she said, well, you can make some of those, can't you? And of course I can make some of those, and that's what I'm going to do today. And out of this piece of wood I expect to make between 90 and 100. And then I thought they'd make quite a nice gift for some of my plant loving friends. You can make these any size you like, but I'm going to make them 145 millimeters. That's about 5 3/4 inches. I'm going to start by just cutting off a length of this scrap wood at 5 3/4 inches. I've set my bed to 45 degrees and put the fence on the other side. And I'm just going to push this through the saw to take a bevel. Now I've moved the fence back that way a little bit and I'm just going to take the corners off. And now I'm just going to round this bevel into a semicircle. Now with the blade set 2 millimeters away from the fence, I should be able to cut labels that are 2 millimeters thick. Whilst these will work, I think they're a little bit too flexible. I'm going to make them 3 millimeters thick. So my first test was a bit thin, that was 1.5 millimeters it turns out. My second one felt just a little bit too thick to me, that was 3 millimeters. And this one feels about just right, it's 2.25 millimeters. So out of that one piece of wood I've got 20 plant labels. That, when you measure this up, comes to 4 centimeters, and the piece of wood was 6 centimeters. So I ended up creating, all the rest was sawdust. 20 millimeters of that wood became sawdust. But if you'd have done that with another saw, like say the table saw, which is difficult to do thin stuff on anyway, then you'd have lost a lot more of it. So I'm really pleased with that. Given that it was just a scrap piece of wood, I've got 20 plant labels. That scrap of wood made 111 plant labels. I've added a little bit of hessian around them to make them into 20 label packs, and I will distribute these to my friends. Well, I really enjoyed making these, and the friends that I've already given them to were delighted. If you've enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, then please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, why not subscribe by clicking my logo? It's free, and YouTube will add some of my videos to your feed. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you soon.